Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to easily transfer files between your Android phone and your Mac using AirDroid. No cables needed. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, you can move them wirelessly in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you have an Android phone, a Mac computer, a stable Wi-Fi connection, the AirDroid app installed on your Android device. You can download AirDroid from the Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Open the AirDroid app on your Android phone. Sign up or log in to your AirDroid account. Grant the necessary permissions like storage access so you can send and receive files. Now switch to your Mac. Open your web browser like Safari or Chrome. Go to web.airdroid.com. Log in using the same AirDroid account. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code shown on your Mac screen using the AirDroid app on your phone for instant connection. On your Mac, once connected, you'll see your phone's dashboard. Click on Files. Browse your phone storage and select the files you want. Click Download to transfer them to your Mac. To send files the other way, drag and drop files directly into the AirDroid web interface, or click Upload and select files from your Mac. The files will instantly appear on your Android device. For larger files, consider using AirDroid Desktop for better performance. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer files between Android and Mac using AirDroid. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.